No, Meta did not pay me to wear these. They just work freaking cool. And I got another load of scrap. Going to the scrapyard. Let's go, Grandpa. All right, big tractors, big things, and a clear space to dump it. Let's go, Grandpa. Don't get hit by a tractor. A mountain of steel. All right, a little bit of aluminum, some brass maybe. Maybe. Force. Ah, yes. Come on, Grandpa. Don't get smashed. Don't fall off the truck. Here we go. Goodbye, microwave. Goodbye, water heat. Oh, yeah. I got you, Dig. Oh, that's not that Italian, like, slang word. Where I'm from, they call Italians, like, hey, Dig, like Dago. And they shorten it down to Dig. Most people where I'm from, the Italian Americans, predominantly from Sicily or Ischia. And Sicily is the island at the end of the boot. And Ischia is still the southern coast a bit. And that's the island that's off of Naples. I've been blessed to visit both areas. I haven't been to Ischia, been to Naples. And I think that's where pizza was invented. And I'll tell you, ain't no lie, that pizza's good. And I've eaten pizza in Sicily, and that ain't no lie either. That pizza's good too. Nice people both places. But you know what? I ain't gonna lie though, man. Those Italian people are hard, baby. Hard living over there on the continent. Beautiful people though. Beautiful language. Nice, nice, nice. Tough economy though, I must admit. I'm pretty lucky I was born in the States in terms of opportunity, because some places definitely harder. Oh yeah, bye baby. Oh, I love this part, man. Men with tools. Man, working the game. All right, Grandpa, don't slip, don't trip. Get you out of here. Exercise. That's my exercise. Shoot. Anything in the safe? No. All right, Grandpa. Get it unstrapped, baby. Yeah, we'll get this. Easy peasy. Sometimes I gotta take the gloves off so I can feel it. Woo! Make sure it pops out again. Hope I didn't wreck this strap. Here we go. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. Hook it up. Let's go back to work, Gramps. A lot of positive self-talk when I'm up here because I don't want to fall off this thing. At any age, that's not a good idea. That's definitely, as they say, the kids say, hex to the gnaw. Don't slip on nothing. Don't trip on nothing. Get it out of here. So this was a trip to get out of the place I got it from. Well, how do you move it? I go like 1 inch at a time. Slide it out of here. Just spin it and win it. You try to make sure that the little feet on the corners don't go in those stake holes, because that'll definitely slow your roll. You get to the edge. See, I got caught. All right. Boom, I'll do it. Slide a little. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right. All right, man. Almost done. Got to get this. Yo, I'm going to get that at the end. I got to lower the gate. He told me, he said it's concrete or something. Just us, yeah, only the surface is metal. Está bien, baby. Oh yeah. Hey, yeah, temporary setbacks, but we're just blessed to be out here anyway. So let's keep hustling, right? And stay out of the drop zone, Grandpa. Yeah, I drove out here on the freeway, and I only do that when I feel extremely comfortable that none's gonna fall off. You know what I'm saying? Safety is everything for everybody around me. Safety, safety, safety. All right, man. We'll sweep this all up, pick up that safe, get weighed, get paid. Let's go. All right. This group during the day shift said they can't take the safe, but sometimes the night shift's a little different. Ain't no mind, man. Got to keep the guys happy. They're working hard over here, and they're just told what to do like anybody else, you know. So we'll get this on the truck, and we'll try it again another time, or if I gotta call bulky item pickup in LA, hey man, we'll do it that way. Either way, we'll do our best to keep this thing out of a landfill. That's what we love to do. And I love what this thing says. Proceed, error, or low battery. Sometimes I feel like that. Definitely gonna proceed. I've definitely made errors. Catch you guys on the next. All right, we like this part, payday. Heck yeah. That's processing right now. Not too shabby. 156, 1,800 pounds, $126. Let's go, fam. Look at that. All right, be safe out there. This is how we did.